Hey everyone, welcome back to Draw with Ishan. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw Yuji Itadori from Jujutsu Kaisen step by step. We'll start with the basic face structure, body pose, then slowly move into the hair details, hoodie force, and the powerful punch perspective. Even if you are a beginner, you can easily follow along. First, lightly sketch the head shape and guidelines for the eyes and jawline. Keep your pencil pressure soft, it's easier to fix mistakes later. Now let's draw Yuji with the sharp anime eyes and eyebrows to give him that intense expression.
Don't know if I can find my way out. In this
Next, we'll sketch the hoodie and shoulders. Notice the oversized sleeve makes the punching hand look more dynamic and closer to the camera. This perspective effect is what makes the drawing look powerful. Now let's focus on the fist. Start with simple box shapes for the fingers, then refine the knuckles and detail slowly. Don't rush this part because the hand is the main focus of the drawing.
reaching out, I'm reaching out. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. It's coming. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching out. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. I'm reaching. It's coming. I'm reaching.
Now it's time to do the spiky hair. Don't make the hairs too thin, make them sharp and clean. And don't make too much spikes or it will look like a porcupine. So make sure you do it perfectly. Now it's time to turn the boxes into his body. Now let's start drawing his hoodie. Or you can say this is the cap of his hoodie. Now let's start drawing his next arm. Always try to follow the guidelines that we made previously. The sketch is complete. We'll clean up the lines and add darker outlines to important areas like eyes, jawline, hair, and fist. Finally, add some light shading under the chin, inside the sleeve, and around the hand to create depth and make the drawing pop. And that's it, your Yuji Itadori drawing is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel, and comment which anime character should I make next.